will transition into the diamond formation. The slot pilot will move into diamond. Turn around in the sky. We call this a wing-over, ladies and gentlemen, setting themselves up for a 1930s diamond loop over the beautiful, beautiful Ohio sky. Hey, this one is for your 200th anniversary. Watch them. Don't get any better than that, Virginia. That's as good as it gets. And now a World War I. Of the loop. He'll roll out on the 45-degree down line, and we'll set up for a beautiful in-trail loop in the sky. On its own axis, straight down out of the sky. And now, 4-point hesitation rolls, ladies and gentlemen. Count them with me. 1 time, 2 times, 3 times. It don't get any better than that, Virginia. I want you to know it. Up and over the top in a beautiful arrowhead loop. Now they transition back into the diamond formation. We are now back into the traditional diamond as they pull up and over the top in a half Cuban 8. The airplanes will roll out simultaneously. Woo-hoo is right. I didn't even see it. Look at all that fun. And now, I want you to take a picture of. Have that camera ready. You're going to like this. This one you don't want to miss. Into the sky. They want to see if Elvis is a-plucking away, and they all stop together. Not yet, not yet. Take a picture now. That is a diamond cluster hammerhead in the sky. Nice diamond. Nice up and over the top, and they'll do a clover loop. Two great maneuvers coming up now.